Hi, this is Edufeeds video tutorials. In the previous video, I showed you how Microsoft Excel is. I introduced you how the features of Excel. I showed you how name Excel, edit, and how create a range of cells. Now, I am going to show you how we use format painter, conditional format, formula, and other tricks to help you use and learn Microsoft Excel effectively. So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Let me start by how we copy the format by using format painter. For instance, we want to copy the format of this cell date. We will click on the cell date and then double click or click on format painter. Then we'll have this kind of the cursor will turn this in this way. Then you select the column or the range you want to format. Then it will turn the same as the cell of date. The format of the date will be copied to this column. So this is how we copy the format by using format painter. So I don't want to maintain this color, so I will just click undo. I'm going to show you how we do conditional formatting. We just select the range of cells you want to format. After selecting, then you click on conditional formatting. You either choose one of the formatting you need because there are many. For me, I'm going to choose color scales, and I'll choose this color because there are many. Depending on your preference, you just choose one. Then this is how it will turn to. Color will reflect the value within the cells. So depending on the values we have, I want that value of investment to format this number into currencies, and so that it will looks like it is money which is typed, which is inserted in Excel. So I will select the column or the range of the cells in which the numbers is and click on format numbers. You can either choose to use accounting number format by clicking in dollars. So I don't want that it looks like it keep looking like this in this in scattered way. So I'll just select and again click on accounting, then click on currency. So if I click on currency, this will look as money, of course. So this is how I format the cells in general. I want to show you how we use some formulas to calculate some to calculate sum, to calculate average, minimum, and the other formulas. So let us calculate sum. If you calculate sum, what do you do? Manually, you just click equal sign and then you add numbers manually. But this is going to take you time. This is too tiresome. So Excel provided the easy way to find sum. So there is first one, you can type equal sign and then click and type sum. As you type, you are given range of choices: sum if, subtotal, sum, product, sum, many choices. So you better choose one which is compatible to your calculation. So for me, I'm going to calculate sum, and remember to add open bracket and type the range of cells through which you want to calculate the sum. So the range of cells start from D3 and type colon to D12. D12. So you can either type closed bracket or not. It depends on the time you have. Just click enter. Then you see sum is calculated. So this is how you calculate sum. You can, there is an easy way also where you select the cells for which you want to, the range of cells for which you want to calculate the sum, and then you click in AutoSum, because make sure you don't make mistakes in calculations. So as you see, we will have the range of cells. If you click on AutoSum, it's better you click on sum and then you are given the answers. So it depends on where you want your answer to take place. So what if you want it to be on these cells, which is directly proportional to the sum, which is directly proportional to the sum? You just click on you just select the cells, the range of cells, and then you click auto sum. Then you are given the answers. So this is an easy way of calculating the sum. Then how do we calculate the average? You just average is calculated by typing equal sign, then average, average. You are given average year, average if, average. You are given choices, but you better, if it is average only, you just type average, then type open bracket, then from cell D3 through D12, then click enter. Then average is $4,200. So this is our calculate average. Then how do we find minimum and maximum? As you see, by conditional formatting, you can easily recognize which is maximum and which is minimum, because the color itself describe the goes with the number itself goes with the color itself goes with the value for the numbers within the cell. So here you can even discover that maximum is 10 and minimum is $700. So for us, we are going to use to calculate it mathematically and find which one is minimum and which one maximum, and it will be easier for you to discover how you can find maximum in a long spreadsheet. What do you do then? You just click on maxima. You are going to find maximum, then you type equal sign, then maxima, then this is maxima we want, max, then click max, then click open bracket, then from cell D3 through D12, then click enter. As I said, maxima is $10,000. Then this is how we also calculate the minimum. Minimum, type equal sign, type minimum, and with open bracket D3 through D12, then open bracket, then click enter. This is how we calculate minimum and maxima. So the highest value is maximum, the lowest value is minimum. You can change to the name. This is highest value and this is lowest value in our range of cell. So in general, this is how I use formulas, but you can also click on the formula tab to play with different formulas. So for instance, AutoSum have many different formulas recently used, financial formulas, logical formulas. If you want to insert your own function, you click on logical formula and then insert your own function. You can easily use text, date, time, back, lookup. We have many functions in Microsoft Excel. So you better work with it daily, because Excel tutorial may take up to 2 days to make it full, to learn it full. So it's better we learn short videos, simple step by step, so that we can help you learn. And you better play with all the formulas so that you master Microsoft Excel. So now, let me show you some tips and tricks that can help you in Microsoft Excel. There is what we call autofill. Autofill, how do you make autofill? You just click on the cell, then you wait for plus, you come in the corner, wait for this plus sign. Other is a plus sign, but this one is deep black and small one. Then you just make autofill. Autofill is copying the same text in the next row. You see, as I copy, I'm getting the same text. As I copy the number, I'm getting the same text. So as you copy the numbers by using autofill, does the same as I copy the text in the next cell using autofill. So I don't want to maintain this text, so I will just click undo. So you can even copy the formula. For instance, if you want to copy the formula of sum, this one, I'll just wait this one and then click on. As you see, I copied the formula of sum, and then as I add, I'm getting 0. But because these are numbers, I just got the answer. I copied the formula and I got the number. So this is how I copy the formula. So you can even copy the parallels. For instance, from 20 2018 to 2015, there is a difference of 3 years. If I select these two cells and then I do autofill, I will have the difference of 3 years each, and it will be descending. So see 2018, 2015, 2012, 29 to 2009. You see, 2006. There is a difference of 3 years in each between the years. 2008, 2015. So this is how we copy the pattern. This the differences we're using autofill. So this works better when it is time. For instance, if you write January and I click enter, then I want to do autofill. I just, you see, January, February, March, April, May, June. It works with time, where if I want to type 1 January, you see, 1 January, I can do autofill 1 January, 2, 4, 5, up to the end of January, and I can keep having the sequence of the date. This is a lifesaver when you don't have time, when you are typing things related to cells, things which have the sequences. So you better use autofill. This is a good thing you have to learn when you are using Microsoft Excel. So how do we sort? How do we sort? When you want to sort, you just click on the cell through which you want to sort, and then in home you have sorting, but you better come in, you better click on data, and you have sort from A to Z or Z to A. I'm going to just choose from A to Z. If I choose A to Z, you see the title, the from the cell I chose, I clicked before, you have sorted it alphabetically: A, E, F, F, M. And when you sort, the numbers and everything else goes with what you sorted. See, the dollars and marketing. If you want, you can rewind the video so that you can watch how previously our data were. So our data were. So you just need to do sorting by either sorting alphabetically from A to Z, lowest to highest, or highest to lowest. This is how we do sorting. Then what about filtering? What about filtering? When you want to filter, you click on filter, you click on the cell for which you want to filter, and then you click on filter. If you click filter, this icon will represent in your cell, and then you can filter what you want. You can select all, but I'm not going to select all. I'm going to choose agriculture, education, and fish, and then click OK. As you see, I'm remaining with only what I selected: affiliate marketing, agriculture, education, fish farming. That's what remained. It does not mean that others were deleted, because as you see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. I can choose food delivery and shopping. Then I click OK. So you see, when I filter, I remain with what I want. So then, and the cells, you can check that we have skipped the number of cells. The other cells are hidden, not deleted. That is how we use filtering. So let me select all, then click OK, and be back on our video. So how we freeze pane, so that if you have long text, your title stick, you click on the cell through which you want to freeze. If you want to freeze this title, this row, if you can freeze column or freeze row. If you want to freeze row, you click on the row, click on view, and then click freeze pane. You can freeze pane to unlock the all rows or columns to scroll through the entire worksheet, or you can choose to freeze the top row or freeze the first column. So what I want to choose, I want to choose to freeze pane. I selected the row and I want to freeze it. So if I freeze, because I froze this entire row, when I scroll down it will stick the investment made. If I want to, I will just click freeze pane, and then you can even choose freeze top row, and then this is how to look like. So if you freeze pane, that's how you will work with Microsoft Excel to make your title stick. So you can even choose to freeze the first column. If you choose to freeze the first column, you see this column has frozen. This is how it looks like when you freeze pane. You do freeze pane. So thank you for watching these video tutorials. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next videos, don't miss them, and keep supporting us through our social media and our website edufeeds.online. Thank you very much.